In today's video, I will discuss 7 must avoid habits if you want to be successful in life. Success is not like easy most people imagine it. The road to success is always under construction. It takes a lot of struggle behind itself. When we see successful people, most of us only see their success, not the underlying effort. So when we compare ourselves with them, we become discouraged and demotivated. Therefore, always keep in mind that all the big names went through the difficult times. But the difference is that they tried their best to come out from it and to stand out in their particular field. Here's I am relating this with the example of iceberg. Like the top of iceberg, we only see the success, not the failures, sacrifices, doubts, hard work, and praise, most importantly, and criticism. So, let's discuss the attitudes that are obstacles in your way to success. Not having a clear goal. One of the primary reasons for not being successful is that you don't have decided on any goals yet, or you are not much sure about what you want from your life. Try to make a realistic goals in your life. For example, if you desire to be a writer, practice it and read more and more books. Things to give up, excuses, self doubt, fear of failure, procrastination, people pleasing, fear of success, negative thinking, negative self talk, judgment of others. Here's a list so you have eliminate these elements from your personality. So, another major important habit that is wasting time. So, most of people complain that they don't have enough time to manage their work. What is the main reason? The reason is people don't use it wisely. Make a to do list and give everything a proper time from your schedule. Also, several people waste their time only thinking and they don't take a step to achieve their desired results. So, manage time with great efficiency. Doubting yourself is another major reason so that you are not successful. One major obstacle on the way to success. That means you think you are not capable. Like you may think you can't run a business or you can't complete a particular project. You continue doubting yourself that I don't have the potential for this. That is a hindrance in your way to success. Number 4 is want to be perfect. One quite general issue, either you can say a damaging habit in all of us that we delay things because we want perfection. So we didn't start anything and postpone things. This attitude is also not acceptable essentially when you want to achieve a particular goal. Remember one thing that perfection comes with time and practice. So start now or you will never be able to take action towards your goals. Number 5 is lack of motivation. Here's a genuine problem also many of us stuck in this issue. The main reason behind this that we have not settled more obvious aims for our life. We lack of motivation, our minds are not clear. For example, you want to start a business but you don't think about what you want from your business. Only you want to earn money or desire a flourishing and well reputed business. You have not cleared your mind. Number 6 is having too much workload. Another prominent issue is that if you have a lot more duties might also be a problem in being successful. Always keep one thing in mind that you alone can't do everything on your own. You always need someone to help and manage your workload. So always have a team for your work so you can manage everything quite well. Number 7 is not having enough resources. The most common issue everyone complains about is this. If you are going through it, always use available resources and create opportunities for you. Every one of us can't have everything when we have to start a job. But the smarter is the one who challenge the environment and bring a change in it. So be smart enough to get benefits from your limited resources. So here's my today's video. I hope you enjoyed my video. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.